sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Yeah, hi Ram. How are you?
Hi, sir.
You are at
Fine,
dark?
sir. How are you?
I'm good, good. You are at dark?
No, sir. Actually, I'm in a hotel now and came here for a site visit to Harada.
So you are at site visit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. It's a great that to meet you, and we congratulate that you got placed for automated systems. Thank
Thank
you
you, sir.
for being part of Technologics, and
Uh,
just a short episode of success story which I'm going to take a survey on understanding that how efforts that you have taken to get placed.
okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Can you just help us to understand what are the efforts that you have taken to get placed?
Efforts means nothing much, sir. But actually, I follow you guys. What you taught me, the basics. When I entered in the interview, this is my first interview, sir. First interview, I just go through basics only. I prepare basics previously. I mean, previous night when I go to the interview, I just prepare the basics and the notes that I get from you guys. That helps me a lot. And one thing I suggest that stick to the basics. That's it.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing your insights, Ram, and we wish you
Thank
best
you.
of luck ahead. Thank you so much for being
Thank
in
you.
this episode.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.